Hello everyone, welcome back in Cool IT Help. In this video session, we are going to set up Java underscore home environment variable in Mac OS X Catalina. This is very easy and straightforward. I will explain this. So guys, if you have just installed your JDK package, so you will get your package at this location. I will show you. So the first step, we are going to set up Java underscore home variable. To do that, we have to open this bash underscore profile file in edit mode, and this is the command to open it. Now we will open a terminal, and here we will type this command to open this bash profile. So just let me increase the font size so this will be clearly visible. Now I am going to type this command open tilde sign / dot bash underscore profile. Press enter and the file is open. So here's the file. Let me increase the font size of this file as well. Okay, now you can see at the very first line there's an entry of Java underscore home. So we have to put like this way. This is the complete line. Export Java underscore home equals sign, then the path. Don't leave any space after the equal sign, otherwise this will not detect. So we have to make sure there is no space after the equal sign, and this is the path of the JDK folder up to bin. Okay, I will show you how to set it. Suppose you have just installed any Java package and now you have to visit this location. So to do that, open the Spotlight search and just type this path. So this path is also in description, so you can get it. Now open this Java virtual machine folder and you will find the installed Java package. Right now in my case, I have three JDK: Open JDK 11, JDK 15 and JDK 1.8. So most of time I was working with JDK 1.8. Now I switched on the JDK 15. So I will set up JDK 15 in this tutorial. And guys, this is the path that we have to change. As you can see, we have to give the path up to home folder. Now go inside the package and you can see contents after that home. After the home, we have the bin folder. As you know, we have done the same thing in the Windows. That bin folder is important. So just drag and drop your home folder in the terminal and you will get the path. So just copy this path and go back to the bash underscore profile file, and after the equal sign put this path, and the path will become like this: export Java underscore home equal sign and the path of JDK up to home. So this is the right way. Just save this file and close it. So guys, everything is ready. Now the final step is verification. We have to check it everything is set up properly or not. So close the terminal and open the new one. And here we have to simply type a single command, java-version, press enter. And you will see this information. Java version 15.0.1 is activated. Now system will work with JDK 15 as we want it. Now let me show you bash profile file one more time. You can see we have given the path to the JDK 15. That's why this is detecting JDK 15. In case if you want to switch to the different JDK, you have to perform the same step and you have to change the path of the Java underscore home. This is so simple. And guys, this procedure can be used with any version of Mac OS X. I hope you guys found this video tutorial relevant and useful. Please like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.